Welcome to Paper Makers. In this video, I will be showing you how to solve the error cannot connect to MySQL server on localhost. First, we have to set the environment variables. Go to Start and select Edit the system environment variables. Click on Environment Variables. We have to set the path. Actual path should be program files MySQL server bin. So we have to set the path. Go to Files, go to Program Files, go to MySQL server bin. Copy this path. Now come back to environment variables. Click on New and paste it. As it is already there, I am not doing that. Click on OK. 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 Now we have to go to Services. Scroll down and come to MySQL 80. Here it's manual. So start this service. Once it's done, come back to terminal, give the password. Yeah, now the error is solved. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.